Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 37 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. But first, I want to thank Lou from West Seneca, New York. He sent me a Tim Hortons gift card. I already went up and got myself a coffee. I got a bagel. And a reminder, if anybody wants to send me gift cards, please do. Just send to Dan's Messy Garage, P.O. Box 36, Union Lake, Michigan, 48387-0036. I'll take any kind of gift card, Amazon, food cards, whatever. But I thank you, Lou. Now I'm going to get to work. I'm going to start by sanding out some of the runs and sags that I got in the last round of clear coat. I'm going to try doing those dry and then see if I can buff it and make it shine. So it's time to get work. I started to get my sanding blocks and things ready here. First I need to uncover the car. Today has been one of those days. I got up at 6 in the morning. It's 11:15 right now. Got up at 6 thinking I'd come in here early. And it's one of those mornings, things just kept going and going, happening. This happens, that happens, and I got to go here, got to go there, and it took me a long time to get in here today. And I have to leave again, like about 3:30 or so. So I don't know how much time I'm going to have working on the car today. So I know first things first, plastic's got to come off. Something else from experience. You take a buffer and rubbing compound, you start rubbing on, let's say, the hood, that compound splatters. And it gets on the car like glass or whatever and dries. It's like trying to get concrete off. You gotta wipe it off right away. So what I'm gonna do is cut the plastic and let the windshield be covered, because underneath the plastic is just the glass. So I'm gonna do all that and then we'll come back. I was gonna start like right here, but I think I'm gonna go around the car and look for an area that if I mess it up, I can fix it easier. Like this driver's door, you probably can't see me, has got a sag across the top by the character line. Let me check the other parts of the car. Yeah, I'm going to go for the driver's door first. And if the driver's door sands out okay, the rest of the car should sand out okay. Let's move up closer here. Now you'll probably be able to see the sag once I start sanding it. It's another big one. Like it starts here, goes about to the door handle. So I'm going to start with the real light sanding with 400. This is to kind of highlight the run and take down the biggest nibs or drips first. Well, in fact, it goes all the way to the edge of the door. Get my carpet. I'll step around you guys, do that. See, what time is it? It's after 11:30 and I'm finally starting to sand. I thought I would have been sanding hours ago, but you know, this car just doesn't want to go away. It just keeps hanging around, having me do more and more work to it. After I get the clear coat done, I'm not done with the car. Still got a lot to do on the interior. Got to get some undercoating for the wheel wells because that's all full of white paint. Got to repaint the brake drums and probably the road calipers. I ordered some Raptor liner, bed liner to spray inside the trunk. That should be coming in a couple days. See, I'm really trying just to stay on the run and sag. And I'm going to time lapse you guys. You probably already walked away because you're bored. The guide coat shows me that the runs came out. Now I'm going to get my rubbing compound and a buffing pad and see for sure. Looks like it's going to come out. Really shouldn't be going 800 grit to buffing compound. You need like 1500 before you buff it, or even finer than 15. But I'm working with what I have again. I never did replenish the stock that I used up on the last couple cars, so I might have some 15 buried down in my sandpaper box. I guess I'm gonna have to dig through it. But I don't feel any more run or sag there. I didn't see it with the light. Looking again. Nope, I'm not seeing it. What I am seeing is like fine sand scratches from the 800 paper. I could probably bufflate them out of there, but if this was the only thing I had to do today, like this door, then yeah, I would go for it. But I got a lot more to do than just this area of a door. So I'm going to move on and go up to the fender, see what I can do there. Time lapse time. Got a lot of the driver's side done. One of the problems with white is you really can't see a lot of the reflections when you're in a garage like this. You got to get it out in the sun and look at it. But I can take my light and look right into it, and it's going to be okay. Still going to have some telltale areas of runnage and maybe a little discoloration here and there, but for a beater paint, it's going to be great. I'm going to move to the other side now. I'm going to see if I can get a light and get it to reflect off what I was doing here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not, but I had some run-ins right through here, runs and sags, and they're gone. It's all polished out. This whole area feels good. Maybe if I move the light, you'll be able to catch a glimpse of it here and there, how nice it looks. Like I said, it's just hard to get a good reflection on white in a garage. But I can see the light reflecting in the paint and the clear. And I can tell when the scratches are out, and it's looking good. I have the passenger side of the car rubbed out. You just really can't see much reflection because of the white, but it's looking good. You can see some of the reflection there. And I have the hood sanded. I still need to sand down that cowl panel, but a lot of this has been sanded. It's ready to be buffed. And that's it. It's going to be the end of day 37. I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for day 38, where I'll be buffing the hood and the roof, trunk, maybe finishing up the car. I just don't know yet. So you have a good evening. Bye.